Hey guys, this is D-Bell here. I want to thank you for watching the video, and I'm going to try to make this video kind of all encompassing. I'm going to tell you what I got for you. It's a free gift. Also, I'm going to show you how you can use it to build your list, and then finally, I'm going to show you how you can some tips to give it away to people. Now, I call it I am Trend Marker. It's very, very simple. All right. The idea behind it is that you can take these 6 buttons here, these huge buttons on the software, and you can put whatever link you want in it. You just want it to be relevant to the niche. So these are 6 different niches. So you got the social media niche, the video niche, software niche, e-com niche, SEO niche, and here is kind of something you can use for anything. I call it new. So this will be a new trending product or whatever. Now, these buttons will go, you click them. Let me show you here. When I click this, it opens up the browser and it goes to the page that I actually specify. Okay, let me make sure this doesn't delay. Okay, now that being said, it's just that simple. All right, so you can have these go anywhere you want, and that's it. Now this button here is a free gift that I'm giving away to everyone, that they can download a software, another software I created, and they can use it to build their list. All right, so that's that. Now, with that being said, let me share with you first of all how you can actually do this, use this software. So I'm going to open up the brander. So when you get your software, you will get, let me show you this, you will get these 4 files right here. All right, you will run this brander application here. And when you do, it will open up this box. Now, it's very, very simple. You can change the actual product title, okay, to whatever you want if you want to. And then you want to just change out all the links here, okay, to your own. So each one has next to it the information to tell you which link it is. So this is the social media one. This is the software, the SEO, the video, the e-com, and the new. So just change all of those out to your own. And my suggestion is that you use a cloaked link, something that you can actually change on the back end whenever you want. So like, let's say, for example, you use a bit.ly link um, for the SEO. And let's say a new product came out and you wanted to promote it. Well, you can go into the bit.ly link, the bit.ly side, change it to the new product, and that way anyone who has your software will see the new product whenever they run the software again. So that's just my suggestion, but you can actually just put raw links in here if you want and do whatever you want. You could also use retargeting links. That's an option too. So it's up to you how you do it, but that's just some suggestions I have. Then after you've changed all that, you want to go to registration settings, click the box here that says registration code needed. So this is how you would build your list, your email list. You want to create a registration code. You've probably seen software like this before. It doesn't have to be this, outlandish. It can be very, very simple. It can be something like, you know, whatever, you know, 1111. It can be whatever you want. But the point is you create something here. You want to copy and paste it and put it on your desktop somewhere where you'll have it. And then you want to put this as the first message in your autoresponder. Okay, that's it. So you put this in the first message in the autoresponder sequence so that when the person opts in, they'll get it. And this here is where you'll put the URL to the opt-in form that they will need to opt into in order to get this code sent to their email. All right, so this will be here, HTTP, your form, wherever your form is. Okay, once you've done that, you'll click done, and then you'll click brand, and it will brand the application for you. And it's just really that simple. That's it. So that's the second part. Now here's the third part, which is distribution. There's obviously a few ways. There's 2 ways that you can distribute this that I would suggest. So you will want to take the application that you just branded and the lim file that's with it. You have to have these 2 together for this to work. So you will highlight these 2. And the one thing you can do is you can obviously zip it up, go to the zip, open up your zip utility, zip it up, and you can give away the zip file. That's one way to do it. But one way that I like to do it that I've learned is I'm going to select these 2 again, and I use WinRAR. This is WinRAR. Before I actually show you that, let me go ahead and To show you where that's at on Google. WinRAR is at rarlab.com. You click that and you download download one of these if you don't have WinRAR. And it's a free trial and it's well worth the money. Okay. I mean, even after the free trial. Okay. But it's free. You can download it and use it now. Okay. But even if you decide that after the trial that you want it, you can download it. You can buy it and it's definitely well worth it. Going back. So now here, what you do is first things first, you want to change the name in this method. Change the name of it. So we're going to call it Trender. Okay. So we leaving it in the RAR format. And then you want to go over here to the archiving options and choose Create SFX Archive. And then you notice when I check that box, it turns it into an exe file. All right. And that's what you want to do. And this is going to turn these files into a self-extracting application file. That's really all this is doing for you. So I'm going to show you the two things that you want to do after this. Once you've done that, go to the Advanced tab, and then you want to go here to SFX Options. Click that. Now, in the Setup tab, you want to tell the software what to run and extract. All right. So now you'll look at your name of your file, which is in this case, I am Trend Markr brand. And you want to put that in here exactly the same way. I am Trend Markr brand.exe. Make sure it's exactly the same. It's spelled exactly the same. All right. Put that in there. And that's the one thing you want to do. And the next thing I would suggest is to unpack to a temporary folder. All right. Check that box. And that's really it. Once you do that, hit OK. You'll go back here. It takes you back to this box. Hit OK. And there it is. So it's created a file here that is self-extracting. All right. And it will run the utility that you just branded. It'll run this particular file here. So this allows the person to not have to unzip the file and find it and run it on their own. It'll run by itself, and they can see the registration box, and they can go ahead and go through the process of registering the software, getting on your list and everything like that. And that's really it. Okay. So I wanted to do this to where you don't even need tutorials. You can actually watch this video and know exactly what to do. Of course, if you have any questions, though, you feel free to hit me up. I'll have support, or I'll have a way for you to be able to contact me if you need any help at all. Okay, so that's it. This is a free gift for you to build your list. I'm about to put this out there for you now. So if you're watching this video, go ahead and download it. And I look forward to talking to you soon.